Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can sign up on your Spotify on your PC. It is going to be a very easy and simple step. Spotify is going to be already pre-installed into your PC, so just go to the start button and click on it, or either just press the start button on your keyboard and search for Spotify. As you can see, I already have Spotify as well, so go ahead and open it. And finally, once you open it, you are going to be on this tab where it's going to show a pop-up window which says login to continue, but we don't have an account yet, let's just say. And down here is a don't have an account sign up button. Go ahead and click on it. And finally, once you have done that, it is going to ask for an email. Go ahead and enter it, and then finally enter a password, and then write a name that Spotify is going to call you basically. And finally click on continue after check marking these two boxes down here. And finally it's gonna ask for your date of birth. Go ahead and enter your date of birth, and then go ahead and choose your gender. And then finally just tick mark on any boxes you want. You have to check mark these last two boxes because these are basically the privacy policies and your terms and conditions. So click on join Spotify, and congratulations, you have successfully signed up for a Spotify account. And if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.